So here, walang pangkod-kod. Yung seeds niya, nilagay ko dyan para juice niya. And then, this I bought earlier. I made, what do you call this? I'm getting old na. Yeah, I keep forgetting. I have to look at the, packet. Ito. There, afritada. Instead of buying all the ingredients separately, I just bought a few like this. Sili. I put sili. I put 1 piece of potato and this. And also, I put 1 pack of this. It's only 1 thigh. And then I cut it up into 4 pieces. And then I also bought I bought chicken liver. And ang maganda yung chicken liver, may heart na siya, so I don't have to buy them separately. So ito nga, we're here now. Walang pangkudkod, so we're gonna do it this way. Paano ba natin gagawin to? We're not gonna make a mess. Go dito na lang. Yeah. Okay, so. Yeah. So, we do it this way. Ganyan, para konti-konti. And then, see? Galing, ano? Ano nga ba? May kasabihan ba nun? Well, if there's none, then kasabihan ko. Necessity is the mother of invention, something like that. Whatever. Ang popular ng mga ano rito ng knives. And you know what I did to sharpen the knife? So let me just show you while we're at it. Here. Okay, so what I did, this is a very dull knife. So what I did is I just run it through here like this, and also do it like angle, about 45 degrees. You may not think it doesn't work, but it did. At least in my case, ayan, ganyan gawin mo. See? And that will make it one. This is good. I guess generally, right? You can't even say your favorite food, but the food that you grew up with. I'm always so messy when I eat. At sa restaurant, kaya lang marami akong napkin.